Okay. I so you can see me. I can't really prove my innocence, you know what I'm saying? Everybody know that. So but I said innocent, did I say that? Everybody know I'm innocent. I'm trying to forget what I said. Everybody know I'm innocent. Damn. And then it makes sense. Cause I never I thought this all the way through, but you know what I'm saying? It's just I don't know how to say it. It's like damn, what I said? Shit. I'm gonna go back. I'm start over. Let me see if I can remember. I might can remember. Everybody know. Oh yeah. Everybody know. Oh yeah. Okay. Dang, it took you a minute. Everybody know I can't prove my innocence. So I need my $7 billion. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Hoover gang, I need my $7 billion. You know what I'm saying? My $7 billion. You know what I'm saying? I need that. Gang. You know what I'm saying? On the west side. You know what I'm saying? Macon, Georgia. You don't know what the city is. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I'm like, okay. So I'm like, I gotta put this out there, you know what I'm saying? I need myself to be, I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying? Everybody know, you know what I'm saying? I need the government and shit, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get the government, so I'm like, you know what I'm saying? Everybody know I can't prove my innocence, but I need my $7 billion, you know what I'm saying?